Hi, it's Andy from Cream and Whiskers, and it's a Sunday show. How are you? Doing well? Had a good week? Brilliant. Having a nice weekend? Chilling? Getting ready for the summer? I have snow by the accounts coming around about end of January, February. Sorry, I know. And then you've only got, was it 340 odd days or 350 odd days till it's Christmas. Oh! Should have said that, should I? Never mind. Well, right, I've tried Proraso before. I haven't tried the white, so there you go. I am going to do that, which is the Proraso white. It's a sensitive one, I think. It's the Soapone, or Soapone, and it comes a bit like that. There you go. It's just got a clean smell to it. There's nothing, I don't think there's anything distinctive about it. It's just a nice clean soapy smell. And then I'm going to be using the Bluebeard brush, the little one I got, and I'm also going to be using the creme liqueur, which is anti-irritation. But first of all, once I've washed the old Muppet face, I'm going to be using that. I'm not going to do that, I'm just trying to get that. There you go. Which is their pre-cream. It's their cream that you put on before you shave. So I'm going to do that now. Oh. So, what we've been up to, anything exciting? No? No, blimey. Blimey. I just realised my coat's falling down the bank. Don't need about that much on. It just takes the hold on. No skin. Hair's coming back, as you can see. I'm going to show you. I bought it's got to come from, it's American, but coming from China. What that one out? Omni, O-M-N-I. So when it turns up, I think you guys have a look. I'm going to use the packet comes in. I can't be asked to put it into the bowl. Right, sorry, I'm going to be using the Edwin Jagger today. The Edwin Jagger one. The body, it has a Afro blade in it, brand new one. You try and change the blade somehow. You know what I mean? I have to change the name of the blades. I get on really well with that. Blimey, I'm getting it everywhere. Bit too much water, I think. Yeah, so this Omni, it was either that or another company. And the other company's let's keep changing the blades. We don't mind, but it doesn't work out cheap. It's about £14 for 4 blades or something, like that. So it's not cheap. It doesn't work out cheap. This blade's supposed to last about 5-6 months. And then you start weighing it down. It's about $21, but if you UK it's about 16 GBR. So they say it takes about a week. I've got confirmation to say that it's on its way. So I'm hoping it's here before my birthday. So I can do a proper head shave. And that's hair off again. Doing up Proraso stuff, it's quite it is old fashioned, isn't it? I say old fashioned, I've been around for years. Cut myself up now, a bit too far I think. A bit of a twat. Postman's probably been. And yeah, you also this Omni, you don't have it self-sharpens. I don't know how. It self-sharpens and it cleans the blades as well. Once you finish, you just run it under water. So you put moisturiser on your head. So it's either a decent soap like Proraso. I use their Proraso foam. I've got their Proraso foam up there. I got it in a job lot. Well, I didn't, the missus did. The missus got it in a job lot. So, yeah, I might use that. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, someone's been asking me as well. They asked if I can't remember your name, I do apologise. About subtitles. I don't do them. I understand because my accent can be thingy. If you go back to a couple of videos, you'll work out why I talk a bit funny. It's nothing personal. But doing subtitles on the videos takes about 2 days, and it's about, well, it's mostly a day, because you have to sit there and you have to edit it. I don't do it, my partner does it, and otherwise I would do months. And she did a couple, I think she did 1 or 2, and it took all day just to do half of it, and the next day to do the other half. You can get it professionally done, but they charge you £30 per video. And it still takes them 2 days, so you have to get it done months in advance. And because this is done on a Sunday, and then I edit it and put it out, I don't have to, well, unless I did it in a week. It's just a second pass, we go crossways. Unless I do it and put it out later on in the evening, or put it out on a Monday, or do the shave earlier in the week, which I don't really want to do. But yeah, no, I am looking into it. If I can find a different way of doing it, then by all means I'll put it up there. Or I can persuade the missus to try and do it really quickly. I know YouTube do it, but theirs is terrible. Put myself on mascara again, now I'm going nuts with me. My lymphedema must have got absolute balmy. Right, my third shave, am I going to get enough out of it? Am I going to, no, I'm going to need a bit more. Yeah, it's just a soapy smell. It's a nice soapy smell, it's not horrible. It's quite refreshing as well, it's quite slick. It's, I could have really done 2 shaves with it. You don't need loads of it on your face either. Excuse me, noise, I think we've got a new bus route. And because I live on a corner of a street, and the buses go up there. I did it last year. I changed the route, but it didn't tell us I changed the route. So beforehand it was single buses, now it's double. There's double deckers, so it's alright, not the suite. I felt myself go, I actually felt myself nicking it. My own fault, talking and shaving doesn't work. So what you're having for lunch, or have you had your lunch? Want to have a nice roast? So you go out for lunch, you go to the pub. Have a nice pub. Or is it just you sitting there watching a bit of telly with a table and your missus is home? Roasties, roasts, things like that. Yeah. I forgot that hurts. Sorry, that's Mr. Natty, the Allen bar. I should read that, man. I don't mince it. I don't mince it. Oh, blimey. That stings, but hey, it's supposed to. Right, I'll be back in 1 second. 2 seconds, mate. Get blood in the towel should do a nut. We'll go wash it in town. That's what I'm going to be putting on for you guys afterwards. Exactly the same scent, really. Exactly. He's a bit money, yeah? He's a bit money. But hey. Oh, that's got a nice actually. I put a bit more on. I didn't put enough in there. Right. That, dear boys and girls, is it. Well, it is for that anyway. Right, do we do goatee? Should we do goatee? Yeah. Picture it up front, it's a request. No, it's something to do with it. I've got a cup of tea, yeah. It's getting cold. Right, my last bit is my favourite. I love this stuff. Is Floid Blue. Can't get it anymore. You can get equivalent, but you can't get this anymore, which is a shame because I love this. So whoever's bought Floid out, or if Floyd is still going, I know they're still going because they still make the stuff, but not that one. Oh, smooth. I like that. That soap. That soap is lovely. Right, I will run through what we've used. We started off with the Edwin Jagger with a Astroblade in it. We then went on to use Proraso White Soapone, which is a cross between a creamier soap, basically. We then used the small Bluebeard brush. Get used to that, it's quite a nice brush now, I'm actually getting used to it. To start off with though, I did put on some of their pre-treatment cream, which I love. And then we put some of their Anti-Irritation. And then to finish it off, I did use Unit, the Allen Balm. And to finish off, it was Floid Blue. I love that stuff, it's really nice. Dogs are off, there must be a postman or a delivery. That's what her and Dorothy's for. Right, boys and girls, that's it from me. Have a really good Sunday. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Shaving should be fun, not a chore. I've been Andy from Cream and Whiskers. Have a good week. Bye.